Healthcare worker script. Health professionals encourage breastfeeding because it saves lives. Early initiation of breastfeeding within the first hour after birth improves survival and strengthens immunity. 21. Recovery after birth script. Breastfeeding helps a mother's body heal after childbirth. It supports uterine contraction and reduces bleeding, helping mothers recover faster while nurturing their babies. 22. Exclusive breastfeeding script. Exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months means giving only breast milk, no water, no other foods. This practice gives babies the strongest foundation for growth and disease prevention. 23. Compassionate support script. Some breastfeeding journeys are difficult, and that is okay. What matters most is kindness, understanding, and support for every mother. Encouragement can make all the difference. Spiritual reflection script. Breastfeeding reflects the beauty of creation and care. It is a sacred bond that